I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because this is where control lives. Open Settings, then tap Apps and Notifications or Apps depending on your phone. Once there, find and tap the specific app you want to hide notifications for. This targets only that app. Next, choose Notifications to see channels or a master switch. Turn off Show Notifications to stop all alerts or tap individual channels to silence only certain types. This gets you immediate, precise control without disabling the app itself. Once you're in an app's notification screen, channels matter. They let you separate chat, promotions, or alerts. Tap a channel to open its settings. Set importance to low or silent to prevent sound and banner interruptions while preserving background delivery. If you want no visual cue, disable Show on Lock Screen and toggle off Pop on Screen. Make sure to repeat for each app channel that bothers you. This lets you fine-tune behavior without losing critical messages. To finish, verify system settings so nothing overrides your choices. Go to Sound and Vibration or Notifications and confirm Do Not Disturb rules are set correctly. Schedule it if you need automatic quiet hours. Then review notification access and special app access to prevent other tools from re-enabling alerts. If notifications keep appearing, restart your phone, clear the app cache, and update the app. If that fails, reinstall. These final checks ensure your hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.